Hey, yo, Smalls, turn up on them, bruh.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is also Britt, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing Serwell hair, and I got it in inches 20, 22, and 24, and I'm going to put the picture up on the video and also put it in the description below so y'all know all the information exactly where I got it from. But yes, I ordered this hair off of Amazon. And I'm not with Amazon Prime, but the shipping did take like just 3 to 5 days, so about a week. So the shipping's pretty fast anyway. So they gave me this letter saying, if I promote the hair, they'll pay me. So you want to also promote the hair, you can do it too. Some lashes, don't really wear those, but it's thought that counts. And yeah, I think that's all that came in the package. But yeah, here I'm finna show y'all the bundles. So I ordered 3 bundles. Just 3 bundles. No frontal, no lace front, none. Just 3 bundles. Cause I'm trying to do a DIY headband wig. So what I was gonna do was just glue the tracks on a cap and just make it a half wig. Cause lace fronts, they look good and all, look all real, but like you tired of your edges getting ripped out. So you wanna save your edges for a while and just throw a headband on, different color headbands, just wear your hair. Like, I'm so glad they made this a style because it's just so much easy and it's quick and it's not hard to do. So I'm finna show y'all the first bundle. This is a 20-inch. Of course, it's a little bent up because it's how it's packaged up. And I'll check it for shedding. And I don't know if y'all guys can see. It is a bit shedding. But it's not terrible. But for some, I think I paid like $70, $80 hair. That's really not bad. Like, and if you buy hair that's like, under $100 and it's like 20 to 24 inches, just be aware that hair will last a month. Maybe you can make it last more than a month, depending on how you take care of it. But hair like this, you get what you pay for. So this type of quality hair will at least last you for a month. And yeah, I got the wet and wavy texture. I'm showing y'all the weft. It's pretty thick. So the hair is not too thin. I'm just showing y'all how the length probably look, like how far it go down. So that's like a little past bra length. So I did wanted to talk as I was reviewing the hair, but I was feeling kind of sick and my nose is stopped up. So I thought y'all hear me better if I just do a voiceover. But yeah. So anyway, I think I'm pulling out the 22-inch now. Yeah, this is the 22-inch, and I'm gonna show y'all how long that looks in just a second once I get this net off. But yeah, the hair is real soft though. It's pretty soft. I like the texture. The waves are pretty defined. And it didn't have no smell. I smelled it a couple times. I couldn't get no smell for nothing, so it really didn't have no smell. I still wash the bundles anyway, because that's why I do with all my hair I order. I just wash it anyway. But yeah, there's no smell, so that's pretty good. Yeah, this is how long the hair looks. It's a little bit lower than the bra length, or probably like halfway down your stomach. But I'm 5'1", so you taller, it might not be at that same height, but that's how it looks on me. And I think I'm pulling out the last bundle right now. Yeah, the last bundle, this is a 24-inch, and I'm going to show y'all how that look also. And after that, I'm going to show y'all how my bundles look after I washed them. When I washed them, all I really did was I conditioned it. I didn't want to put the shampoo in it because I feel like the shampoo might probably dry the hair out too much. So I just conditioned it, let it condition for like 15 minutes, then rinse it out. And then I installed the hair. But yeah, this is how the hair, the 24-inch look. Pretty long, about to the waistline. So yeah. And 24 inches is like the longest inches I ever worn. So I'm gonna see how this goes. But yeah, I'm gonna take it on from there, and I'm gonna show y'all how I install a headband wig. So here are the bundles washed, well, conditioned. And I also wanted to show y'all the wig clips I was using on the wig cap. So right here, I just want to show y'all more of the texture, how it looks wet. And it's real pretty. And I combed it through, see if there's any tangles, and it comes right through. And the ends, I'll show you how the ends look. Did I get any shedding while it was wet? And I think I got a little bit of shedding. I didn't really get much shedding. I think it was like one strand, but yeah, it's real pretty when it's wet. So now I'm gonna show y'all how I install my half wig. So stay tuned. So at this point, I was finished with my first bundle, which was a 24-inch. I started off with, and it just about filled the mannequin head like halfway. But yeah, as y'all probably see, I'm using my little micro mini fan because it just helps dry the tracks faster, especially you in a hurry trying to do a hairstyle. It just helps to get the glue dry faster. So yeah, so now I'm starting on the second track, which is the bundle, which is the 22-inch. And I'm going to let some music play from there, and I'm going to talk to you guys later. stop making the wig at this point, but I really could have put one more track on there, because you're really supposed to fill the wig cap all the way up, because it's about half wig size. So off camera I did end up adding another track, but yeah, I'm just showing y'all, combing it out, showing y'all how it looks all together. And the hair is so pretty, y'all. So I am gonna wear it, and I do want to let y'all know how the hair turns out at the end, so y'all know whether to buy it or not. But I mean, end of the day, it's up to you. So if you want some cute, quick, affordable hair, I say go for this, because this is some pretty hair. So for adding my wig clips in, I sewed it onto the cap, and I'm gonna show you how I sewed it in. So I have the one at the bottom, like in the center of the bottom of the wig, and two at the top. So not like all the way completely at the end of the cap, but like in between where the thick sewing is. I don't know how to describe it, but I hope y'all see what I mean. But yeah, that's showing y'all again the one at the bottom. And you can put two at the bottom, how you want, how secure you want your wig. But I feel like it's fine with just 3 clips. So I'm going to show you how I look on my head. Okay, if y'all wondering why I got like a little lump in my head, because I braided it underneath, and then I laid my leave out over top of the braid, so then my wig can stick to that braid, so it can be secured. It won't slide back anymore. But yeah, I mean, you could put a wig cap on under it also, but I don't know, I don't like dealing with it, so I just put the hair clips in with my braid secure it, and just clip them on. And yeah, it turned out pretty good. Like I said, like I added another track off camera, so it looked kind of far back on my head, but I did add another track to the end. But yeah, other than that, I really like the look, and I'm just let y'all see the rest further on. Okay, let's try this again without the headband falling all over my face. So I just want to show y'all the different headbands. I ordered all these different color headbands and designs from Amazon also. So they came along with the package with the hair. So yeah, I'm just showing you how the black one looks and how I could just switch it up whenever I want. Like, as simple as that. And I straight love it. So yeah, so let me know how you guys feel and think about this hair, about the headbands in the comments below. And make sure you guys subscribe and give me a thumbs up, because I really appreciate y'all. I straight love y'all for girl, stop. Keep hurting yourself anymore in this video. Come on. So yeah, this how the cheetah print one look. Cute. Yes. Girl, hit them with them baby hairs. Yes, there you go. And I'm finna switch it up again with the velvet. Yes, that velvet cake, girl. But yeah, please subscribe once again so you can get the latest content. I do beauty, hair, lashes, anything else y'all want me to do, let me know below. Give me some ideas. And yeah, we'll take it from there. So thank y'all and I appreciate y'all.
People like to ask why. People like to ask why.
People like to ask why I talk about the king. Why Christ in his spirit fills everything I sing. Why talent ain't